A new hire's first impression is shaped by onboarding. Using ADP's onboarding tools creates a smooth, digital, and compliant experience. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. After adding the employee, you can trigger an onboarding task list. ADP will send them a secure link to complete their I-9, W-4, state forms, and acknowledgements of company policies electronically. They can upload documents like IDs right into the system. You, as the administrator, can track completion status for each new hire. My crucial pro tip: blend automation with human touch. Use ADP to handle all the paperwork, but schedule a separate welcome video call or meeting with their manager. The tech ensures compliance, the human connection ensures engagement. Transform administrative onboarding into an engaging welcome experience. What's the most important document or step in your onboarding checklist? For more guides on building great teams, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.